If you're looking for a speaker that delivers power, style, and versatility, this is it. The Stromberg Chunk 2 is built to impress with deep bass, crisp highs, and everything you need for the ultimate sound experience. With 25 watts RMS, a 5.25-inch subwoofer, and a 1.6-inch tweeter, it delivers clear highs and deep bass, making your music sound amazing. Plus, the digital equalizer lets you adjust the sound to your liking. The battery lasts up to 14 hours, so you can enjoy music all day. And also it has IPX4 splash protection, so you don't have to worry about it getting wet. It's perfect for outdoor use. Connecting is easy with Bluetooth, a 3.5mm aux input, and a 6.3mm input. With Stromberg Connect, you can link it with another Chunk 2 for even bigger stereo sound. It also has audio rhythmic lights to add style and includes a microphone for karaoke or announcements. You can get them in electric raspberry or candy green for whatever taste you like. Big sound, bold design, and packed with features. If you want a speaker that does it all, the Stromberg Chunk 2 is the way to go.
Stromberg, the sound of people.